Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A quick new feature update related to blogs. So in case you didn't know, you can do a blog on Funneltopia now for quite a bit. Make sure to go check that out. But when it comes to the new feature, you can add a blog element. So if you go to Sites, Funnels, pick a specific page in our funnel, right, there's a blog element. So let's delete this, go to Elements, and I just searched for blog. I don't remember where it was. Blog posts over here under blog. You can just drag it in, right? And then your blog articles will show up. And over here, you can just kind of pick which blog, right? You might have several, so pick this one. Also, you can pick the category. I think the author, you could pick that as well. And also, yeah, pick the category. Just go through all these, and essentially it will auto-populate with your with like either your newest blog post or whatever criteria you have set. That could be like a separate or an additional element, let's say on your website or maybe on your, I don't know, on your thank you page once they sign up for your newsletter or whatever, that you can add this element in and kind of introduce to the topics that you're an expert in. But yeah, that's under, on any page that's over here, blog post element, drag it in, and it will be there. And yeah, make the additional changes over here on the side, including color and all that stuff as well. If you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, click on here, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.